Good morning, class. Have a great day. Before I start my English 2 class today, I would like to give you all some instructions. Please listen carefully. Hope you all are attentively hearing my speech. Listen, student, from coming week we are going to start giving worksheets. You will be getting the routine in the assignment or whatever as a notice. Coming week schedules or worksheets. Last time we give you a worksheet of 25 marks, but this time it will be 20 marks, and you'll come to know which day, which subject you have got. And for my English too, I'll be giving you all worksheet on 30th. 30th, that is coming Thursday. Okay? So coming Thursday, I'll be giving you all worksheet of English 2. So I covered the chapters as I told you. Yes. You all know the chapters I've taught already. That is Miss Polly, Rainy Day and Jojo's Pet. See that you learn all that I have given you. All the question answers, opposites, meanings, sentences, and see that you learn it properly. Because unless you revise and learn, you won't be able to write. Don't think, just please take it seriously. Because we will further give you more instructions. Because we want you all to be serious with your study, learn. It is not that we are having classes and anyhow you will copy down and write the worksheet or you send it like that. No, you should be honest. You got to write without seeing and do it well, student, and learn seriously, because these divisions are very important, because there's possibility of us conducting exams. So be serious, study. Coming week worksheets will be given. Be prepared for it and be serious from this week onwards. Okay? So before I start my class, I told you in English 2, today we will do the exercises and some spellings I'll be giving you. This chapter, this page, question answers all have been done. These exercises I have done in the book. Next page also you'll see I have solved it, and I'll be giving you the snapshot for it. So before I move on, let me read out. You take out your books. You take out your books and pencil and try to do it as I'm calling out. Exercise A. Exercise A, number 4. Question answers are done, but this is multiple. You need to put the number orderly. So listen and do it. Number 4. Which one will be the first? Who get wet first? You have to put orderly. Who get wet first? First, the tree got wet. Then who got wet? Amol got wet. And then the pulp got wet. Because as it started raining, tree was getting rain. The rain was falling heavily on top of the tree. And Amol came first and standing over there. Then came the pup. Okay? Now B. Tick the right answer. There are black clouds in the sky. Who sees the black clouds? It's Amol or the pup? You put tick on the Amol. Amol saw the black clouds. Number 2. How did he feel? Amol felt happy or scared? It will be scared, because seeing the black cloud he got frightened, scared. Got it? So B, first one answer is A, 2 answer is B. Now C, adding these words and write them on the blanks. Walk, every words are there. See, all the words are there. Please add ing at the, you copy and write ing at the back. Walk, walking, rain, raining, eat, eating, stand, standing, help, helping, play, playing. Copy the word and add ing at the back. Next, see the season here. What kind of day? See the picture. This is sunny. Is given here sunny day. This is cloudy. Is given here cloudy. This is rainy. Is given here rainy. And this is what? Windy. It has been given here. Windy. Got it? Yes. Now next page. Here are all the words you got to fill up. These words you have to fill up and make words. And this portion you need to copy down in your exercise copy. I have done it. You have to put capital letter and full stop and do the sentence. Saw it? Here in the sentence with all small letters, no capital letters, because when you start a sentence you got to put capital letter and at the end full stop. So I have done it. See, when you're changing, this becomes, M becomes what? You see? It. I have written capital letter and under it is raining. So I wrote capital I, T, it, and then at the end full stop. So all the sentence will start with first letter will be capital letter and then the full stop. See, capital letter, full stop, capital. Same sentence, only after first letter you have to make it capital letter and the last full stop. Got it? And these words, see, you have to choose from here and fill up. I have done it. I'll give you the snapshot. You can write it down. Now exercise G, that is you have to write is, am and are. You know, you write is when it's you talking about one person, single person. In each sentence where you find he's talking about only one person or one thing, you write is. And when it's talking about more than one, it is are. And if it's only talking about you, means I, only I, then always am comes over there. Wherever is I, it will be am. And when you talk about somebody, one person, that is. And when you talk about two person or two things, it will be are. Now see the sentence. Janak is singing. You have to put is. The cat is on the mat. I told you when I is there, you have to put am. I am Amol. 4. Grandfather is playing tennis. 5. We are friends. Got it? And here H. This is also very easy. All the words are given. You have to add ed at the back. E and D. Okay? See, rain becomes rained. You add ed. Start, started. Climb, climbed. Field, filled. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. Same word, add ed. It's mentioned here to add ed at the back. Got it? So only these 2-page exercises have been done. Now I'll give you the spellings. I'll give you the snapshot. I've taken out 15 spelling from your book. I'll give you the snapshot. Okay? So please read out the spellings with me once. Number 1 is school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Number 2, walking. Say after me, W-A-L-A-I-N-G, walking. Number 3, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Number 4, feeling. F-E-E-L-I-N-G, feeling. Number 5, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. 6, raincoat. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-A-T, coat. R-A-I-N, rain. C-O-A-T, coat. Number 7, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y, suddenly. Houses. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. H-O-U-S-E-S, houses. Number 9, stands. S-T-A-N-D-S, stands. S-T-A-N-D-S, stands. Number 10, cute. C-U-T-E, cute. C-U-T-E, cute. 11, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. Reach. R-E-A-C-H, reach. R-E-A-C-H, reach. Next one, R-A, 13 is R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Number 14, starts. S-T-A-R-T-S, starts. Number 15, raindrops. R-A-I-N, rain. D-R-O-P-S, drops. So I'll give you the snapshot. Please learn it, children, and be prepared for all your worksheets. Be serious, learn properly. Have a nice day. So, coming week, best of luck for coming week class. Yes, I want to see you are all prepared, and all my good students. Please, please, please be little serious with your studies. Ma'am is not saying you all not to do anything. Do everything. Enjoy yourself, but at the same time, give some motivation. You have some time for your studies, because without studies, you cannot become, when you grow up, you need to be a doctor, teacher, lawyer, engineer, whatever it may be, a pilot, whatever you like. But so, for that, you got to learn and be educated. Yes? So, good children. See you again. So, bye. Take care of yourselves.